Good morning, everyone. What a night last night. And we are sad that we're saying goodbye to this place until next year. And the weather is freaking amazing today. No winds, clear skies, and beautiful. Now, heading back home. Take us 2 days to get home. We made it to this town called San Ignacio. Cute little town. Hey guys, so we made it to our last spot before we head home tomorrow. We traveled today 9 hours to get back here to San Felipe. So we're right here in Puertecitos right now. Yeah, this place it's very, very beautiful when the water it's up. Right now it's super low tide. It's about a mile, half a mile back. Very low tide. So hopefully tomorrow in the morning when we wake up we see the water. But this place is called Puertecitos. Good morning, everyone. We are done with our vacation. We're going home now. The magic is over. We had an amazing time. Until our next Baja trip. Good morning, guys. We just made it to San Felipe. We completely run out of gas as soon as I got to the gas station. Even with my two 10-gallon of spare fuel, we barely made it here. Damn, that was pretty scary. Well, hi guys, we just made it to the border on the Century Lane, and it's busy, but Century Lane is only taking about 20 minutes to get in. But we had an amazing vacation. We were there for 8 nights, 9 days, and four spots we went to. And 2 of the spots we stayed 3 nights each. That was nice until next year. Hey guys, so we were in paradise for 9 days. We didn't catch any rain. And we get home and we catch the rain. Telling us, welcome back to reality. Yeah.